Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a grid in Webflow. First, select the element you want to turn into a grid container. Navigate to the Style panel on the right side of your Webflow designer. Under the Layout section, find the Display setting. Click on the drop-down menu and choose Grid to activate the grid system for your selected element. Once you've activated Grid Display, you'll see options to define your grid structure. By default, Webflow might give you 2 columns and 2 rows. You can easily add more columns or rows by clicking the plus icon. To remove them, click the minus icon. This initial setup forms the basic framework for your layout. Now, let's customize your grid tracks. You can set specific widths for columns and heights for rows. Use units like pixels for fixed sizes, percentages for relative widths, or FR units for flexible, fractional spacing. You can also drag the track lines directly on the canvas for a visual adjustment. Don't forget to set your row and column gaps. With your grid defined, it's time to place your content. Simply drag and drop any element, like a div block or an image, directly into the grid cells. You can also make elements span across multiple columns or rows to create more complex and visually interesting layouts. This gives you incredible control over your design structure and responsiveness.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.